Jeep Wrangler's Uconnect system manages navigation, entertainment, and vehicle connectivity. If you're experiencing issues like frozen screens, reboots, or glitches, understanding resets is crucial. A reboot or soft reset is a quick restart that clears temporary glitches without losing data. Hold the power button on the screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down, then restart. A factory reset erases all user data, restoring the system to its default settings. Access this through Settings, System Reset, Factory Reset, using the default PIN 234 if unchanged. If your screen is completely unresponsive, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnecting and attempting an on-screen reset. Frozen screens in Jeep Wrangler's Uconnect system are often caused by software bugs, overheating, or faulty HDMI ports. First, ensure your Uconnect software is up to date via the Jeep app or a dealer. Regular updates prevent many issues. For persistent problems, especially in older Uconnect systems pre-2018, Stellantis has extended recall programs for defective touchscreens. Newer models 2022 and later with Uconnect 5 receive over-the-air updates for fixes. Looking ahead, Uconnect 6 aims for enhanced cybersecurity and AI troubleshooting to reduce reset needs. Electric Wrangler models will focus on energy-efficient infotainment to minimize reboots from power fluctuations. If resets don't resolve issues, especially hardware failures common in 2020-2024 models, seek professional diagnostics to avoid potential warranty issues.